Good morning, Grady Sands. This is our day one. Hey, say hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Yeah, day one here. We're off to church. Saan yung church? Ano name ng church? St. Mary's Cray. Ang lamig-lamig. Okay, hi guys! Guys, saan tayo punta? Punta kami sa ano guys. Camden Town ay marami siyang stores, pasalubong, and ganap. Mura or masarap? Okay guys, nandito tayo sa Camden Market and then tignan niyo yung pila. Actually pumila kami kasi mahaba ang pila. Hindi namin alam guys kung ano yung pinunta namin dito, but yeah, this is the pila and we will taste test later. Ilang minutes na namin.
Easy. Where are you from, guys?
Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, hello. You got some best tips in England. Cheesy, cheesy. Extra cheesy. Saucy, saucy, my brother.
Guys, it's 6 p.m. here. Dito kami sa Winter Wonderland. Ang dami tao. Look. And nagbubook pa yung iba ng ticket. This is your view. So, kikita natin mamaya sa loob. Hello, it's 6 p.m. Hello. Okay pa?